We got something new. That is the Hong Kong Museum of Art, which is this one. Let's check it out. In Tsim Sha Tsui. HKMOA. So it's right next to the Star Avenue and the Space Museum and also the Peninsula Hotel. Because it's newly open, so there are a lot of people here, you see?
Pace and go, baby, don't be playing with me. I could come through and take off your shoes. Take off your gear, take off your keys. If you hold back, anything goes, but
So
don't
here's the
go
deal. So some of the displays is free, and if you wanna go for something like you wanna see everything, you can pay for one-day pass. That will be $30 for some of the exhibition like the British Museum, or you can pay like $50 for 1 year unlimited pass, and you can see everything for a whole year unlimited pass. And you get this to identify 19th century Instagram. It's funny. Some art made by calligraphy. So this is the modern version of the traditional version calligraphy art. Can I touch it? Can I touch it? Can I touch it? Is it? Is it? This is a good Instagram spot. The scenery of this part of the harbor view is too awesome. Like every floor, they're full of people taking photos. This is a great place for taking photos of the harbor. See? Actually, it's more crowded here than in the exhibition or gallery. With the shadow, it is very artistic for taking photos. Nice. I guess this place, HKMOA, makes me more artistic.
My top 5 issues include I don't know how to talk to do.
So when it is about art, you gotta experience by yourself. I try not to show it too much in detail, so you gotta come here and see it by yourself in person. So basically it's all about antique, painting, calligraphy and all those stuff. You can take hours to enjoy floors by floors. And don't forget the top floor, the 5th floor. That is most awesome place I think is waiting for you. It is this floor, the 5th floor. Interesting, they have an artist here as a display. I mean, like really the artist is in display with the display.
要啲參與性嘅，嗱你幫我帶住呢個先，你影佢相。You understand my talking? English speaking?
Yeah.
The traditional idea to ink and brush on rice paper, but this came out directly toilet paper roll into the ink sculpture. One step from 2D to 3D sculpture and installation. 廁紙你都影咁樣嗬，其實都藝術有少少非理性，冇話度得咁準先你欣賞到。唔係，因為我個作品咧係有時間因素喺度嘅。咁呢個作品裏邊有好多你哋嗰啲影都喺埋度啊嘛。咁即係話咧，嗰個陽光都可以投影咗你哋落去啊嘛。
好啊。我頭會唔會太大？
帶唔到唔緊要，帶咗一半都得。哇，好嘢！喂，等我影咗你先。得，得嘅。
1、2、3。
Frocking will have his mobile exhibition for 7 months until summer 2020. He'll be there randomly. Hopefully you can meet him in person. And don't forget to check out the other exhibitions on the 5th floor as well. There will be more amazing art displays. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.